there, welcome back. I'd gone grocery shopping today and I got some nice fresh huge clams. Now last time I showed Mangalore style clam recipe. Today's will be the Marathi style clam recipe. It's really flavorful and spicy. I hope you like spicy food. But this is amazingly tasty. Let's get started. Come on. I usually get the clams from the Asian market and this time they had really fresh and huge ones. Look how nice they look. I have approximately 5 pounds of clams, which is roughly 2.5 kgs. I have washed and cleaned them. Try to wash 2 to 3 times as they have a lot of sand in it. I have 2 cups water and we will steam them until they just open up. It takes a few minutes for all of them to open up. Look, now it will be easy for us to separate them. Allow it to cool a bit. Separate the shells and discard the empty ones. We don't need those. Separate all of them likewise. I have separated the clams from the empty shells and kept the water aside. We will strain and use this water for the curry. We will now strain the water as it contains sand. Look at how much sand there is at the bottom. You can strain it twice if you want. Retain the clam water to make the curry. Let's make the masala paste for the curry. Red onion works best for this recipe. Saute until golden. Here I have dried coconut powder. Saute until golden. A few garlic cloves to be sauteed for a minute or so. Switch off the flame and add the coriander leaves and just give it a good mix. I am also adding ginger. The flame is switched off. Leave it aside to cool. We will need a thick paste, so add just a little water at a time. This is the perfect consistency. We are ready to make the curry now. And add finely chopped onions and saute until golden. Add the prepared masala paste and cook for a couple of minutes. Add the seasonings and spices. Now remember, the clam water is already salty, so add just a little salt at first and adjust it later if needed. You can always adjust the seasonings and spices. If you need spicy, add more. Add the clam water and bring to a boil. Try using fresh curry leaves. Now kokum will give a nice tang to the curry. Add the separated clams and cook on medium flame. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so do check it out. Look how awesome this looks, and the aroma has filled through the kitchen. This is simply incredible. Try to add thick coconut milk to give a good texture to the curry. This curry will thicken up later as it cooks. Garnish with coriander leaves and we have an awesome spicy clam curry ready. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss all these amazing recipes that I'm going to show in future. I hope you like this recipe. If yes, then give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to read this book right now. See you next week. Bye.